These are the Clean Fusion Infusion tools. Custom-engineered, patent-pending infusion tools. They're the best thing to happen to food since, well, ever. Think of melted butter, infused with herbs and fresh garlic. Think of fresh cream with spices and citrus. Think of berry-infused spirits. Plus, the best cold brew coffee you've ever had. Magic coffee. The Clean Fusion tools make home infusion so easy, expensive infusion machines are a thing of the past. Herbs go in the pod. Use the sleeve to prepare. Coffee goes straight into the cylinder. Pour in your liquid, close the lid, and then into the tank it goes. And then you relax. The sous vide circulates gently heated water around the Clean Fusion infusion chamber. You can even throw in vacuum-sealed food to cook with your herbal infusion. Dinner made easy. When it's ready, you just pull out the pod. Or strain your coffee using the pot. Perfect results every time. With Clean Fusion, you take control. So much flavor, so many choices. A little magic in your cup. Clean Fusion. Infusions made easy.